I think we have all heard the stories of people raised by animals who have the traits of animals. But what if a person could have similar traits without ever being raised by an animal? You may have seen children who enjoy playing as animals, which I'd be one of those people. And some get out of it normally, and there's the few that might not get out of it, like 50 years old. But, or you possibly know a child who is like this. My points are to inform you to what it's called and the two different types. The belief is called Therianthropy, and the person who believes this is called a Therian. They identify as a living animal or a once living animal, so they could be a dog or they could be a T-Rex. The one good way to tell the difference between somebody who just really likes an animal and just identifies with that animal in like that kind of way, or if they really believe they are this animal in like their soul or maybe their brain, is shifts. They have 3 types of shifting. One is mental, one is sensory, and one is phantom. Okay. The first type is spiritual. This is most widely accepted as Therianthropy. They have extreme shifts. So the most common shift is the mental shift. And when they have these, they have like an entire mental shift to that of their identified animal. And some of their shifts can be accompanied by blackouts, but that's kind of rare. Sensory is when they have like heightened senses like sight and smell. And then phantom is the most rare, which is when you feel a phantom animal appendage like wings or a tail. They believe they have the soul of the animal, and they could either believe that the soul is mixed with their human soul, or they just have the animal soul. The second type is psychological. Some consider it not true Therianthropy. They don't always believe they have the soul of an animal. It's mostly just a mental thing. Their shifts are less intense. And so like when they have mental shifts, it just gets slightly more intense, and they're normally in like a constant state of shift. So they'll be like half human, half animal, or completely animal, just it doesn't, but mostly it's in the middle. And their human and animal identity are completely separate. So hopefully now you understand that it's not just a child ideology, and then it's a true belief system that's really important to a person's identity. And I hope now you know that spiritual and psychological are both different. I feel like I can talk, I can speak about this because I identify as a Therian. And I learned most of my information from Tumblr and a Therian site, which is called Therian Guide, which is completely run by Therians. And some added information. It's normally doesn't affect a person's life, and the only time you should be worried about it is if they think they can physically shift it to an animal.